Welcome back. Confederation of Indian Industry is planning to promote Goa as logistics destination. Its aim is to make the industry more competitive by means of logistics. Chairman of CII Atul Khane said Goa government has proposed to have 4 logistics hubs in the state. The main objective of CII is to improve logistics business in Goa.
The government of Goa, as part of the investment policy, is thinking of having 4 logistics hubs. There's a plan to have a railway siding somewhere in Pedne, so that containers can be moved effectively to Navasheva at a low cost, much lower cost, also helping vehicles stay off the road, reducing the cost. So all these are thoughts. We are thinking of how we can use the barge traffic for bringing in bulk materials into the state.
CII also plans to highlight various areas of logistics in Goa. The 3-day seminar will be attended by various other industries. Their motive is to improve the logistic business in Goa.
Logistics involves everything from transportation, storage, light packaging, light industry. It involves the use of road, rail, transportation, air freight, warehouses, custom clearance, shipping. It encompasses a lot of activities which generally called logistics. Very little is known by normal people about logistics, but logistics cost, almost constitutes about 15% of the cost of a final product. So, if we have to make products competitive, if we have to make industry competitive, we need to have an efficient logistics setup.
Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Now a look at the other events in the state.
Barge owners offered coconut to sea and prayed for better season this year. This is their annual event. They also perform traditional rituals.
And देवाकडे मागता की आमचो बिझनेस स्टार्ट बरो भशेन स्टार्ट जावपाचो. लास्ट इयर 1 वर्स कांयच बिझनेस स्टार्ट जावना. सुप्रीम कोर्टान बॅन करतकूच आमकां कांयच बिझनेस मेळना. आतां आमी देवाकडे मागता की एटलीस्ट सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या जजांक न्यायाधीशांक बरी बुद्ध दिवपाची की आमचे मायनिंग पळय जे चलताले पळय ते पूर्ववत स्टार्ट जावपाचे आणि आमकां परत पयली भशेन बिझनेस मेळपाचे म्हणून आमी देवाकडे प्रार्थना केल्या.
Faith Works India, a government-recognized charitable trust, has organized a special dental treatment camp every Monday and Tuesday at KTC bus stand. The checkup is held from 9:30 in morning to 3 in the afternoon.
From the charitable trust Faith Works India, with a bus called the Healing Touch. This bus has been around for the last 4 years, and during these 4 years we have covered 35,000 patients across Goa. Today we are here because we would like to bring our bus to the people of Goa, starting with Panjim, and especially with the help of support of the Kadamba depot. We are here to bring this service, which is very much needed. Today the expenses are very high, and to meet it and to take care of it, we are here to bring the service to the people.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Salgaonkar Football Club shocked defending champions Churchill Brothers with a 1-0 victory in the opening match of I-League at Dulair Ground on Saturday. The Scottish striker scored the all-important goal in the first half.
Governor Bharatveer Vanshu was the chief guest for the opening ceremony of the 2013-14 Airtel I-League at Dulair Ground in Mapsa on Saturday afternoon. GFA President Srinivas Dempo, I-League CEO Sunando Dhar, patron of Churchill Brothers, Churchill Alemao, were also present as the two teams lined up to open the top flight Indian League.
Player Churchill Brothers officials, referee Isaac Karache, Tanjana Oshasa, Pranchal Banerjee, assistant referee Biblam, Bowler IFA, and its 4th official Ranchi Bakshi IFA. Match Commissioner Mamchak Gointo, Tosok Referee Assessor Walter Pereira, Western India Football Association.
Both teams took quite some time to get into the groove, but Salgaonkar grew in confidence as the match progressed. Scottish striker Daryl Duffy scored the only goal of the match in the 42nd minute to give Derek Pereira a winning start to his coaching career with the Green Brigade. Churchill's best chance was in the second half, but Sargaonkar goalkeeper Karanjit Singh made a fingertip save. Sargaonkar held on to their slender lead to garner full points from the opening I-League match of the season. A reporter from Mapsa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.